Or was it the fixtures here? They were originally just brown, so we ended up using yellow Rust-Oleum to give a nice colored coat on there. Now we're going to do some spray on adhesive, apply that, and then put on our patterns. So we're going to get started. You want to get that as taut as you can. So I've already gone ahead and cut off all the excess material on the sides. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and do the coat of epoxy over top of this. When we're done and once it's hardened, we're going to drill through and then use a Dremel just to get those edge points. That way we don't stretch out the material or cause any problems along that line. Alright, so this is my leftover epoxy from the guitar project we've been doing. Right now I'm just going to pour it on heavy here, and this is the saturation coat. We're going to come back in about 4 hours and then we'll finish it up. Good? Mm-hmm. More than good? Just hand spread?
Yep. Bass.
So you can already see a little bit that yellow is starting to come through, and that is why you can pre-paint whatever your object is going to be, and you can really modify these veils to be whatever sort of color scheme you'd like. Torch again?
It looks super cool.
Tell me when to stop.
You're good.
Okay. Alright, now we're coming in here with the carbon fiber. Alright, and now I'm going to just take a razor blade, cut off the excess off the edges, and we'll be ready for the saturation coat. And as you can see, as that epoxy works its way through, it really highlights the yellow underneath. We're back now. The saturation coat is already taken. We're going to apply our first flood coat.
Hit it with the torch, it should be good.
glass looks really good.